All right, this is gonna be the 90s building, or at least I believe this is probably the only one here.
Building 8.
Building 8.
Yeah.
At the, the Pop Century Resort. Get that computer there. But we're not interested in that right now. We're interested in these over here. Yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say all of the ones here, Fujitec. Here we go. Heading on up. What floor?
Floor, please.
Come up.
This is bent. Very bent aluminum.
Have a very nice day, ma'am.
You too.
It is dark up here.
I know.
Yeah, you can't really see the interlock. Wow. 4. Send it back down to 1. Oh,
It's down.
there we go. Pretty much identical to the other ones here.
Yeah.
The only real difference between the different ones here is that the cab back walls are a bit different.
I was gonna say.
Like they're a different color. Here we are on 1. You can hear the next one next door moving. Ah! The Elevonic 401 Fujitec trick, I guess is what I'll call it.
Yeah.
My camera lens got a little wet, but there it goes, and that's it.